Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best aluminum folding tables that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have GCI Slim Fold Aluminum Folding Table. This is undoubtedly the most versatile aluminum folding table that you will ever find. It is technically a cook station, and there are different foldable parts to keep the containers. The product is tailor-made to cook outdoors, and there are counters and enough storage space to accommodate everything. Notably, the frame is of steel while the countertop is of aluminum. The product is heat-resistant, and you can place a camp stove over it. There are 4 foldable side tables, and it folds flat for easy storage and transportation. Moving on at number 4, we have Coleman 4-in-1 Aluminum Folding Table. The product is approved for using stoves or extremely hot items over it. The table is well made, and its versatile character helps the table to be carried anywhere. You can use it for both outdoor and indoor activities as well. The folding characteristics of the table are far more attractive than any other wooden products. You can use 2 tables separately according to your requirements. It can carry up to 300 pounds of weight. This product is only 12.3 pounds in weight, and you can easily carry it along with you wherever needed. The Coleman Packaway 4-in-1 Adjustable Height Folding Camping Table transforms into a square dinner table, rectangular buffet table, bi-level serving station, or even 2 coffee tables. The entire setup also fits into a handled case for easy transport. At number 3, we have Trekology Camping Side Table. In contrast with any other product, this product is constructed with an aerospace-grade aluminum alloy which is designed with different colors. It comes in 3 sizes of different heights. The height of a small size is 12.8 inches, while for medium and large size, are 16 inches. The only difference between the medium and the large is the surface area. You get a bigger and more spacious surface with large size. All of them have rubber legs. This table is far lighter than any other wooden products. The portability of this product assists you to carry the product easily, without the help of any other tools. You can fold this table or can use it at any place of your choice. It can be transportable via cars. It has a suitable height for placing it with chairs and stools and also can be used for any outdoor activities. At number 2, we have GCI Compact Folding Camping Table. This product has the newly designed telescopic legs which help the table to collapse and can be folded compactly. The table is mainly used for outdoor purposes like picnic, grilling or tailgating and can also be used for road trips. The table is lightweight and movable. It has strong holders so that it can be placed on any type of landscape. The aluminum camp table is less cost-effective than other models. Due to the aluminum coating on the surface, it is easy to clean. The product has an uncorrupted surface and body. And finally at number 1, Coleman Outdoor Compact Table. This compact outdoor table is a folding table, used for camping and many outdoor activities, like picnic and fishing, etc. This product features the ultra-compact folding facilities. The upper surface of the table is made of aluminum sheet. The table is very easy to carry due to its snap-together design. 3 to 4 people can be seated at this table. Its unique hinge design enables an easy assembling process. Its sturdy joints and well-structured holders help to place it in any terrain. The product includes a bag to move it to different places. Play cards or enjoy a meal at the campsite on the Coleman Compact Roll Top Aluminum Table. This ultra-portable table also works well as a hydration station at a kids' ball game. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.